Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you is our October kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee's is a monthly kit club and we offer 3 kits on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. And every month we do this video to reveal our kits to you. And so we're going to get into our kit reveals, but before we do, make sure you hit our like and subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and put it to all. This way you won't miss a single upload, because we do tutorials using our kits each month to give you some ideas and inspirations on how to use all of our kits. With that being said, we're going to move on to our first kit. Alright, our first kit is our scrapbook kit. This kit is $52 and that includes US shipping only. And we're going to get started with the embellishments. First up, we've got a full pack of beaded berries. And this is in a pinky mauve and gold color. You get 20 pieces in here. Next up, we've got a pack of Prima flowers. There's 12 pieces in here. And these are also like a deeper mauve pink color. A nice fall color. And there's 12 pieces here. And the next pack is a pack of coordinating foliage to go along with those flowers. There's 12 pieces in here. And again, this is all nice and fall-ish color. Next, we've got some chipboard. Treasure Lee also does their own laser cut chipboard. And our first piece is a music note. And then our next piece is going to be this, this is more like an 8-inch border, and it's in 2 pieces. And our chipboard can be found on our website under shop, and then go under chipboard and you can look under the different sections. This piece is listed under borders. And so there you go, 2 pieces to that. And I also give you the centerpiece as well. Some people like to use that, so I always like to try and include that. Next up, we've got some ephemera that you can go ahead and cut out that coordinates with our papers. As you can see, we've got a nice little bit of a fall theme going on here. And next we've got some cardboard die cuts that coordinate with our paper too. These are by Craft O'Clock. And that is our paper for the month. Craft O'Clock is our manufacturer, and it is one of our international manufacturers that we use a lot. And that's the one thing about Treasure Lee kits. We like to include paper that is not easily accessible. We like to do a lot of international papers. And the other thing is too, you can get easily 3 to 4 layouts out of our kits depending on how you like to layer your papers. And so these are all your designs too. Like I said, we do videos to inspire you, but these are all your designs. Now here's our first cover sheet. And on this sheet, on the back, you've got some tags and some more ephemera to cut out to use. I love getting this sheet because it gives me a little extra to layer under my photos. So I'm not really cutting into my full 12 by 12 sheets. And so here we are with our papers. These are just absolutely beautiful fall papers. I love the textures and the colors on here. These can do shabby chic layouts. These can do feminine layouts. These can do masculine layouts. They can do vintage layouts. And these would also be good for some travel pictures too. If you got some pictures from travel that you'd like to scrap, these would be wonderful for these too. And this is a nice introduction into fall. The colors aren't too deep, so you still got some softness of some summer, but again, you've got some fall colors here too. There are a lot of deep browns in here, but still very nice. And I love the texture of lace here. I love this sheet. And here's our last sheet. And what I really like about the paper is that they always give you this little guide down here as to colors that coordinate with it. So again, this has been our scrapbook kit. And again, remember, you get this scrapbook kit and you can create the layouts on your own. You're not recreating someone else's design. That's fine if that's what you like to do, but here you get to be the author of your own craft here. And again, our videos are for inspiration. But with this kit, you get everything you need to create the layouts. And again, like I said, you can get maybe 3 to 4 layouts depending on how you use your papers and your embellishments. Next up, we're going to be moving on to our card kit. Okay, so this is our cards, tags, and more kit. And we call it our cards, tags, and more kit because some months you get stuff for cards, some months you get something for tags, and some months you get something for a mini album. We've also done a art journal. So this is our most versatile kit. But again, you get the stuff to create the items. We do videos for inspiration, and everything is yours to create. So let's get started. First of all, you got a new design from us. You're going to get these cute little chipboard buttons. You're going to get the full set of buttons here. And each one has got a laser cut design into them. So these are really cute and fun. This is a new design for us, and this can be found on our website as well under miscellaneous. I believe that's where I put it. You're also going to get this pack of flowers from 49 and Market in Orchid. And there are 49 pieces in here. So you get some flowers, you get some leaves, and they're all different sizes. I like the smaller flowers. I call them filler flowers, but for cards, I like them, especially if you're going to put your card in the mail. It's kind of flat, so it doesn't disturb the envelope. You're also going to get this really nice embossing folder. This one is called Mosaic Butterfly. So that's going to be really nice for a background on your cardstock. You're going to get 6 single-sided pattern sheets of paper. So this is your paper. And again, this is nice for shabby chic cards. And then along with that, you're going to get some other embellishments. You're going to get a sheet that has some sentiments on it. You're going to get a sheet of square cutouts. You're going to get some strips. You got some more cutouts here, like postcard types or borders. Some more 4x4, some more 3x3 cutouts. And then you've got some more sentiments. So that's your paper, and then you're also going to get the coordinating cardstock too. You're going to get 8 sheets of cardstock to coordinate. So you don't have to worry about matching your cardstock. It all matches right here for you. So everything is right here for you. As soon as you open your kit, it is ready to go. So this is our cards, tags, and more kit. This kit retails for $42, and yes, that is US shipping. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Our mixed media kit is our third kit, and it is also a standalone kit because we always include a project to go along with your mediums. This kit is about building your medium stash and being able to use it over and over, or to experiment with new things. But we want you to be able to use it right out of the box, so we always include a project that you can create. And there's always going to be a video on creating the project. So again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss your video uploads. Alright, so let's get started. Our project in this kit, I've been hunting for these for a long time, and I finally found them. So you're going to get this lantern in your kit, and you're going to get stuff to alter it. First off, let's go with the mediums. You're going to get 2 mica shaker mediums. You can either shake these out or you can mix these. We've had these in our kits before. You're going to get Autumn Maple Crimson, which is like a deep burgundy red, and you're going to get Oktoberfest Orange, which is a nice pumpkin-y orange. And then you're going to get a full pack of Starburst sprays, and this set is called Autumn Leaves. So again, you're going to get that same Autumn Maple Crimson to go along with your shaker in here. You're also going to get cattail copper, ponderosa pines olive, Tibetan poppy teal, and our last orange, I believe, is the same orange. Nope, this one is hot poker orange. So you're going to get this full set of 5 mists as well. And then you're going to get this full pack of earth stones. And then you're going to get another pack of the mega earth stones. So you're going to get 2 packs of earth stones. One's quite smaller than the other. You can easily see. You're going to get a pack of flowers. These are sugar posy and butterscotch, a nice fallish color. They get two-toned here. You're going to get 49 pieces in here, so you're going to get some flowers, you're going to get some leaves, and then you're going to get this pack of sisal too. And this is our mixed media kit. This kit is $47, and yes, that includes the US shipping. And all of this can be found on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. So these have been our October kits. And don't forget to check out our website daily, because our design team will be posting their projects. And again, we'll be posting videos over here. So follow us over on all of our social media. All our links are listed below. And thank you for watching and joining us for the October kit reveal. This has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kit. Thanks. Bye.